Hi everyone, KCTV5 meteorologist Brett Anthony here with another edition of our KCTV5 weather experiments for you. This is experiment number 2 of our 5 experiments this week. This is the aftermath of what we did yesterday. Yesterday we talked about the difference between hot air and cold air, how cold air was more dense and sinks and hot air is lighter and it rises. And so we used that experiment here in our aquarium. Well, today we're going to talk about the difference in air pressure. And to do that, we're going to use the water that we had left over from yesterday. And I happen to have this water jug here. You could use a 2-liter bottle if you have that might be empty after some soda or some juice or something's out of that. So you don't need a big jug like this. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to push this down into this water. And you have to remember that there is low pressure inside of this jug, okay? And air always moves from high pressure to low pressure. So watch what happens as we push this down inside the water. Of course, the water is moving to fill up the area of low pressure. That's inside the jar. At the same time, the air inside the jar is escaping from the jar. It's moving out, okay? It's moving out toward high pressure. In the atmosphere at all times, because the Earth is a rotating body, it wants to seek equilibrium. So that's why high pressure, the air moves toward low pressure, and then the air can escape and move back toward high pressure, and everything is evened out in the atmosphere. So there you go. That's one of our KCTV5 weather experiments for you. I'm going to go dump this on some plants, and maybe our flowers will turn blue. See you next time.